First, dice the vegetable seasoning. Prepare 1 or 2 pounds of liver for cooking. Remove the thin film on the liver like this. Wash the liver with lime juice, rinse it, and then chop 2 inches liver chunks. Marinate seasoned liver chunks room temperature 3 hours overnight in the fridge. Do not add salt yet. Hot or pot. Add the liver with the seasonings. Add 2 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon, maybe a little bit more, browning. Allow it to simmer on medium heat for 35 to 40 minutes, lid on. Add the salt halfway cooking. Stir in occasionally. Add the ketchup 5 minutes to 8 minutes near the end. Brown stewed liver is delicious with white rice. Eat it with cooked food instead. Until next time, Megan, get the cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages that you can lay out on a table for easy reading.